An ether channel.
Oops, they found us.
Perfect time. Keep on pelting them. Perfect time.
Get butterfly blade!
That was pretty much what I expected.
I'd say we were moving in sync, right, Tile?
We should harvest this ether. Well, we've been found.
We got time to kick back a little.
Do people have to make so much noise?
Ah, there you are. I don't want to mither, but aren't you on tent duty today?
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll head back and... What?
It's all finished.
Huh?
We already packed it all up.
Then what was the point of telling me? Don't you have better things to do?
Hey, you owe us one. I'm just joking. Are you okay?
What do you mean, okay?
These last few days, it's been a lot, right?
That's why you're concerned?
Yeah, you got it. We were worried. Your problems are our problems. Just because someone says they're doing okay, doesn't mean everything actually is fine with them.
You know, there's a word for people like you. Busybodies, all of you.
Now, Tyon, that is completely uncalled for.
Huh?
You two really must be bored stiff. Good grief.
Everyone needs to let off steam.
Is my life that entertaining to you? I'll allow it.
Hey, that watch.
Our lifetimes run for 10 years only. But this pocket watch has already lived for longer than that, by being passed from Nimwe's hands to mine. What Guernica said to us on that battlefield? I don't know what you made of it exactly, but frankly, to me, it was a load of nonsense. Not even enough to push us together. But that's changed. If Nimwe's life is represented by her dreams, then in remembering those, I carry her life with me. Perhaps now, I can give a purpose to my life. She'd live on if I were to pass her dreams on to others, right?
Heavy.
Also, I've done some thinking. If I had just, say, 10 more years, no, even 5, with just a bit of borrowed time, how many more memories could I fit inside this little pocket watch?
And that's why you're here now.
That's half of it.
What's the other half, then?
Oh, well... In fact, just forget it.
Oh, come on. You've already told us that much. Might as well give us the whole story.
This is just not the place or time for it. That's all.
Lame. Still, it was a nice chat. Dreams in objects. Huh?
What?
Thanks, Tyon. We came here to cheer you up a bit and got food for thought instead.
Oh, sure. Anytime.
Neo.
Oh. We'll have to climb up here to exit the Great Falls area.
If you're having a hard time, Mimi, I'll be more than happy to carry you.
Tough enemy incoming! Brace yourself!
First blood.
Got a face miss!
Perfect time.
Wide flat!
Air struck!
Hit 'em over and over!
We're going, Uni!
You what?
Howling!
Still do this!
I'll have you up and at 'em in no time. Group heal!
Stormy fast! I can still do this!
I'll help you.
Right, cheer up! Not bad luck with a potato like that!
Going, Uni! My
Overfall!
arm's free!
I can still do this!
I'll have you up and at 'em in no time. Howling!
Everyone healed up? No complaints?
I have quite
Who's
got
the digger?
heal!
He's bigger!
The heat is up!
Yeah, feels just like it should.
My
Stormy fast!
heat is up!
No!
I need you, Mia! Take it through the... Why? Trail!
Crazy strong now!
Let's use it to the max! I have group heal!
Yep, this is bad. I don't wanna die.
Get on, Uni! I'm ready to start.
I
be something decent, right?
Such is the officer's duty.
Whoa, visitors!
Here, I'll take you on.
Huh? This is new. They're on us. Orders? Oh, my sparks. They're cute.
Whoa, got a rare doodah right here.
Is that? That's Keves Castle, all right?
First time seeing it.
Yeah.
Same level of elaborate as Castle of Agnes.
Can also see great sword on left.
Are we going through with this?
No. I see it's far too risky now. The area will be under strict guard. But downslope, we could go via the forest.
Mac to Wildwood, huh?
Doesn't sound too bad to me.
Oh! Well, never been this far in before.
Me neither. The last time I had an audience with the Queen, she had come in person to the war front. Commander Ethel, Fornis forward, Armies Colony 4. Reporting in as ordered, Your Majesty.
It has been some time, hasn't it?
Ma'am, I'm elated to find you in good stead, Your Majesty. That you would grace us with your presence is an honor above my station.
We can dispense with the stiff preambles, Ethel. N.
Mum.
N. Consul N. That's him.
N.
The head honcho of Kavesi Consuls himself. The Golden Consul.
What is that?
The Annihilator. The latest weapon in our military arsenal. It utilizes breakthroughs in application of the annihilation effect.
You've harnessed it.
Not only is its power without equal, it has another exquisite benefit. Let me show you.
What, you mean right here and now?
Indeed. This will be its finest hour. The Urian Mountains. A terrible shame. Her Majesty has a soft spot for them. Please do not think ill of me.
What was that?
Just thunder, innit?
Brighter than any lightning I've ever seen.
Still ringing in ears.
Where did the light come from?
No idea. But this can't be good.
What incredible power.
Its effective range has no discernible limit whatsoever.
What are you...
I'm saying an attack like the one you just witnessed can be delivered anywhere.
So you mean to use this weapon against Agnes? If you're to use this, then what about the clocks?
Who said anything about using it on Agnes?
Mom?
The next target will be this.